We have gone from treating 1 or 200 radiation oncology treatment to as many as 500 a month. That means 500 times that a patient or a family does not have to drive to Salt Lake City to have cancer treatment.
Now we can help these patients stay at home in the comfort of their own home while receiving sometimes difficult treatment. And they are more comfortable at home, they can recuperate better at home.
I think when Dave and I first started that, I think both our boards and everybody else thought we were crazy, but we accomplished it, we got it done. And so we're very proud to have that relationship. It's been a great relationship. The things that have been able to happen here by bringing services and being able to keep people in the county as opposed to having to make that trip has been very beneficial to this organization and the community we serve. This is a huge event. We have been working on this for the better part of 2 years. The university gave us telestroke, they gave us tele-ICU, they gave us tele-burn. All those things mean patients don't have to leave here for that follow-up care.
When you're elderly and you're very sick with cancer and you've just had chemotherapy and you feel just sick, that's a miserable drive.
To be able to do that on a local basis, and again, not to have that travel, to have that communication between our specialist and the specialist here so that they can have the same access to those resources just is amazing. We just are so excited to bring this to the community. We are pleased that you have chosen us as your partner. We're excited about that. You were our first actually partner, and I can tell you, you set a high bar in terms of where that has driven us and what you've been able to bring.
The affiliation with the Huntsman is going to ensure that we keep growing and we keep reaching new highs in terms of quality, in terms of cooperation, and in terms of the services that we're going to be able to provide in Sweetwater County and when needed at the Huntsman.
We have had strong links with the Cancer Center from Huntsman for a long time. And we've had a very collegial relationship, and we've worked alongside Dr. Joaquim, and really that's been very good. And what we're doing now, I think, takes that relationship to a new level, and it's going to allow us to explore the partnership in a whole new way.
This treatment can be delivered at home, and so we get those referrals back, and we work in cooperation with them.
Everybody from here, that's a 3-hour drive to where we have to go. I just think it is a big deal for Sweetwater and Rock Springs.
We can start to care for what we know, and we can get people down to the specialists in Salt Lake when we need, and then we can talk so that it's tailored to those individual patients. And so I think it's a great thing.
I appreciate the innovation that the board has shown, again, to continue to push the bar, and again, the great resources that you have here at your organization. And we continue to hope to have this for many years to come.
It's hugely meaningful to the community and to the patients we serve.